Hello everybody. For those of you who are a beginner in the kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make a simple cheesy quesadilla. First, you turn on the burner to high. Then once the pan is warm enough, you take a large flour tortilla, place it on the skillet. After you do that, you take some cheese, whatever cheese that turns you on, put it on top of the tortilla. Make sure that the cheese is all spread out to cover almost the entire quesadilla, or the entire tortilla, I should say. Now you can put on as much or as little cheese as you like. Now, once the pan is hot enough, you take a spatula like this, and once the cheese is just about to melt, you take the spatula and fold the tortilla in half, like this. Now you have to wait a few minutes, but please make sure you do not burn the quesadilla. Now, after about 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how hot your skillet is, you take the spatula like this and flip over the quesadilla, just like this. Make sure the cheese melts evenly. Now, wait about another minute or two. Now, you take the quesadilla with the spatula, bring it over to the counter here, and after you remove the quesadilla, you take a pizza cutter or a knife and split the quesadilla in half, like this. And that's all there is to it. Anybody can do this. Goodbye, folks.